what this time I like to demonstrate the hand press of Moorish Scientific America. In the Moorish Scientific America, you don't shake hands, you don't do five on the back hand side and all that. You're not black, so clearly you're not doing that like that. The Moorish American reach, you always square that. Extends his hand straight, and it's a firm press. Everything is in alignment, right? You know, in our Quran, so there's a line that unites divinity, right? So we want to be, square in all our dealings. We want to be upright, independent, and fearless. Whatsoever we promise shall most surely be performed. The symbology of that is this hand press right here. Before the era of written contracts and all that kind of stuff, this was the contract. Right here. Islam, this is also symbolic of chapter 25 of the covenant of the United States. I'm Moorish. Certain hand press. All right. So this time.